As promised, here's part 2 of Drive and Fail March. Let's have a look. I'm not sure whether this vehicle to the left of me on the approach to the roundabout was triggered by the driving school car potentially going past them, or they were just terrible at steering. What do you think?
No one really likes haggling, do they? So we're ditching all that awkward chat and getting straight to the savings. With the Suzuki haggle-free season. Great cars, big savings and no haggling. And with our VAT-free offers, you can save up to £2,900 on the Swift range and £4,300 on the Vitara range.
This junction and turns like it can often catch people out, but there's no excuse to do this. Good. Is there enough room to go around that one that I was just highlighting? Yeah? If they're going to park on a crossing, are they likely just to pull off when we're there? Absolutely. In situations like this, one poor action is often followed up by another. What should we do with this? Good. Well done. As we've already seen at the start of this video, it's really important for you to be aware of traffic around you when you're doing roundabouts. And the audio's off on this clip because I've got music playing. Watch the black Fiesta to my right. With the steering that you do, you often find yourself in other people's blind spots. So be aware of this at all times. I'm going to speed this clip up from the beginning because it's a long one. Watch the sequence of the lights. The traffic from the left is moving. And now it's the turn of the traffic from the right. I don't think it was this guy's turn. What do you think? Off we go. Good. What position are you going to keep over there?
Left.
What's your road like?
Good.
Look far and plan. How much space are we going to have? That's good. Someone teaching someone to drive and parking a bus stop. Nice. Nice job. Wow. And that proves that people cannot be taught generally by friends or family.
True.
Alright?
Yeah. Or someone who like...
Look at the crossing.
There's people on.
And the bottom box has got a red light. I think it's safe to say that bus is before the crossing and the lights are definitely on red. But all the bus drivers are going to be saying he had a passenger stood up waiting to get off. Let's have a look. That bus just blazed straight through that.
Yeah.
Honestly, mate. Nope, I couldn't see anyone stood up on that bus. Could you? Good. Good.
I have problems.
You were brilliant there. Well done. Cracker. Hit the cross. Good. Good. That was planned, wasn't it? Well done. Which lane of the two are you going to pick? So you're just going through that? Someone that comes from the hospital. Did you see that?
Yeah.
No bothers at all. So, as you can see, that parking aid is nuts, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right turn please at the lights. Cool. Ooh. Look at oncoming cars. Oh my word, that was a red light. Did you see that go past? give way to them, isn't it? We good to go?
Yeah.
Did you see that one zoom past?
Yeah, I couldn't believe it, to be honest.
Wow.
No, I might be better off in lane 2 here because of the traffic up ahead.
Great plan.
So I'm just going to pop a signal on because this guy knows I'm going on behind him.
Great plan.
Pop it back off. Stay in here.
Good.
Lights could change.
Right, done with it.
Yeah.
Okay, sound. So yeah, totally fine. You should have been to the left hand side there. Alright?
Yeah.
Okay. Get your eyes further up. I think you're realising quite a lot how this planning helps you, aren't you?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, so you just dropped a fuel can out the back and it's just stopping in the fast lane on a 3-lane carriageway to get it. Okay. Good. Then 4th gear before the lights. Now, are you ready for these? Look who's behind, how close they are. We could stop, we will. Easy, brake more than earlier. Brake more earlier. So everyone going through that stagecoach. Gee whiz, they're meant to be professional drivers. Wow. When it happens all the time, it never catches you out. This is not my car, but it is me driving, and the attention needs to be put with the private hire taxi behind us. He's just had one little look at an overtake, so he's obviously looking to do it at any opportunity. A little bit further up, we've got a bridge and a set of lights. The lights up ahead can be seen changing onto green. By the time we get there, what do you think's going to happen, and what do you think the private hire driver is going to do? Continuing with the private hire taxi theme, we're doing a right turn at the roundabout, and watch this guy come up on the left. Well, what's the roundabout like? Could you stop if needed?
Yeah.
Could you still stop if needed?
Yeah.
That one's turning, that one's good. So follow your curb. The taxi is doing the wrong thing. You shouldn't go round from the left lane. Check this side now, signal left and slide over to the left. So the taxi should not have gone all the way around the corner, alright? He should have done the right turn from the right lane. But he's a Delta, so he will do it, alright? Just to get up to those lights at the top and wait for a little bit longer. That's all he would like to do. So if someone had have been to our left side in that situation, Tom, what lane would have been better to exit in? Yeah, the right lane. We wouldn't have slid across towards the left. You can generally do, and you should be able to do when you're doing a right turn. Where's this white one going? Is it turning? Therefore, great job, well done. Crack of that, really well read. Now chill time. So, if someone is on your left, rather than sliding over, either go into lane 2 or just go round roundabout again. That's all you do. Yeah, easy enough. We've got a busy area of the city and a busy time of day, and we've got a crossing that's just changed in front of us. No major problems, pupils kept out because of the parked car. But watch the vehicle behind and see what they do. Impatience at its finest. Funny thing is, as normal, we caught them up at the further set of lights at the top of the road. Impatient drivers are just impatient drivers. This guy pulls out. I do have to slow down a little bit. However, it's not a big deal. But when it's obviously done, not as a mistake, but on purpose without care, you've got an idea further up the road they're probably going to do it again. So let's have a look as they come up to the next set of lights. Are they really going to turn left in that left turning lane? What do you think? There you go, straight on and pushed past 3 cars. A little touch further up, again. Have a guess what happens.
So, there we go. There goes that same car. Get you there any sooner, peeps.
Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down twice. Hope to see you all soon. Keep safe.